Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to put a line through text in Google Docs. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to open up your browser and then you have to search for Google Docs, and then you need to click on the first link here, and then from here you need to click on this go to docs option, and then from here basically you need to just click on this blank option, and I will write some text here. Basically I will write like hello world here, and now basically in order to put a line through this text here, you need to select this text here, and then you will go into this format tab, then text, and here you can see that we have this strike through option. So just click on this one, and here you can see that we have this line, and there is also a shortcut key for this. First of all, you need to select your text, and then you need to basically press alt shift and 5. okay, alt plus shift plus 5, so alt shift and 5, and here you can see that we have put a line through the text. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.